Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Monday, January 12th. So, looking at forexfactory.com news, you can see here that we have everything on here worldwide is yellow, and there's only one US. Well, there's a couple of US. At 12:45 p.m., we have FOMC member Barkin speaking. Again, yellow item means low impact. 1:01 p.m., we have the 10-year bond auction, also a yellow item. And then at 6 p.m., FOMC member Williams speaking, and that is it for the U.S. So very, very light news day for the U.S. markets today. Moving on, looking at the daily chart. So we sort of still in this band, this giant bull flag, but it's actually looking more and more like an ascending triangle. Very bullish above the moving averages. Volume's still pretty lame, but it is what it is. I don't know when volume's going to pick back up. Maybe when there's something good to, be excited about for the market. Market right now is just sort of blah, sideways. That being said, where could we go? Well, obviously we've got all-time highs within reach. Just can't seem to get any legs to get going. On the downside, the moving averages are definitely targets. So 69.25, 68.85. Is what it is. Moving on. Inventory was negative on a plus day. This is divergence. Normally I'd be like, ooh, what's going on here? Look at that. Look at they're sold 7,000 contracts on this big move up net. So what's going on here? This is Friday. Nobody wants to hold anything over the weekend. The risk is just way too high. I think this is people moving to the sidelines strictly for the weekend. We'll see what happens, but I don't really read too much into that. Moving on, looking at the overnight action, approximately 58 points. Now, that's actually very high. That's almost 3 times the average. Average is 22-ish. So, a decent amount going on overnight. Where do we have support and resistance? Well, intraday, we've got 69.80, 69.90. Of course, 7,000 is the big number. If we can get over the overnight high, 7,850, it might get some legs to go up. There is a level at 70.13, 70.17. On the bottom side, where do we have some resistance? I should say support. Where's support? 59. I'm going to say 59.50, the whole item. There's a couple of little areas right here, 59.53, but I like the whole number, 59.50. Dropping down to around 69.30 area, just below 69.20. Of course, 6,900 is going to be the big number. Get below 6,900 is kind of a lookout below, line in the sand. 68.90, 68.80, about on the 10. So there you have it. The Stock Traders Almanac is 71.4 today. It's very high. 71.4% chance the market will be up today. That is very, very high from the Stock Traders Almanac. And actually, when you look at the detail, it says the Dow has been up 20 out of the last 33. So that's where you get that big number, but down 8 of the last 12. So very mixed information there. So that's sort of all I've got for you today. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.